If you're a machine operator, here's one way to cut your maintenance costs. First, an in-service fluid from a machine is extracted and sent to an accredited laboratory. The lubricant is then carefully examined and checked for any physical or chemical changes that might interfere or indicate possible failure of the machinery or equipment in operation. It is a laboratory test designed to determine how healthy or unhealthy the oil or lubricant sample is. This laboratory and test service is known globally as oil condition monitoring. OCM, or oil analysis services, are sought after by the manufacturing and vehicle industry, aviation, railways, agriculture, wind power, maritime shipping, excavation or mining, and others who extensively use lubricants. For more information on how to save maintenance costs, please contact us at Runningland.